Everyone, this topic bad making. Topic bad making. Definition of bad making. It is the technique use of the primary different type of the bad in the making a patient client comfortable of his her position suitable for a particular conditions. Different type of the bed making. Purpose. First point, to provide the client with a safe as the comfortable bed to take rest or sleep. Patient provide in comfort bed and take rest of sleep. Third point, to keep the want need and tidy. Third point, to adapt to the needs of the client and to be ready for any emergency or the critical condition of the illness. Fourth point, to economize time, material, effect. Fifth point, to prevent bad sores. Sixth point, purpose, to serve the client. Seventh point, for patient's comfort, provide the comfort patient. Eighth point, to prevent cross infection, prevent of cross infection in patient. Ninth point, for treatment of the certain conditions, treatment of conditions. Articles needed for bed making. Articles needed for bed making. First, got. Second, mattress and the pillows. Third, carriage and the stools. Fifth, bedside locker. Fifth, Macintosh rubber seat. Fifth, blanket. Got mattress seat and the pillows, chair and the stool, bedside locker, Macintosh rubber seat, blanket. Sheets vision with the antiseptic lotion and the duster. General instruction for making bed. General instruction for making bed. First, wash hand before and after the procedure. Second, don't expose the client unnecessary. Third, protect the client from the drought. Fourth, don't cover the client's face with placing the line. Don't cover up patient mouth. Fifth, don't mix clean line with the soil lining. Sixth, do not let the lining touch your body or the uniform. Don't touch body and the uniform. Seventh, keep a reasonable distance from the face of the client to prevent cross infection. Distance between the patient face prevent the cross infection. Ninth, always have a dirty lining when at hand in the which to put dirty lining. 10th, dirty line should not be carried across the word to the prevent cross infections. 11th, allow room for the patient feet for free movement or the turning when placing the top sheet over the patient. 12th, any conversation during bed making should not be on the personal matters between the nurse. 13, always wash hand before the after bed making. Always wash hand before the after making. Bed making in after wash hand. Last point, all equipment should be collected before starting for bed making in equipment collected. This is most important bed making in patient comfortable and sleep and rest and cross infection. Thank you guys.